Hello guys, my name is setyorini. Here I will show you how about make LinkedIn account. I don't want to say much. Let's do it.
The first you go to Play Store and you type LinkedIn application, and I have already LinkedIn application, and I have two LinkedIn account, and but now I'm logging with a new email, and you can log in for Google account, or you choose the join now, and I log in with new email for a Google account. You fill the new email, and then I'm logged in with new email, then finally you have LinkedIn account, and then you can change your photo profile location, or you fill the information your profile, and then I can change you how change your photo profile. You can uh, fill location, postcode, or anything information you to your profile. Thank you for down watching my video. See you and bye bye.